Hello and welcome. After successfully completed cloud front training, now we are going to start new topic as well. But before this, I want to give you some information related to exam because lots of candidates asking me about it. I am also going to provide you one secret detail which will give you 50% discount in the exam as well. So let's start. First of all, many candidates having one question. The question is, okay, after completing your 100 days challenge, of course it is not 100 days now, it is just completed 200 days and then it is going on and on. But let's say that after completing these videos, which exam I can able to give? Let me tell you, you can give two exams, one cloud practitioner and another one is solution architect. If we are talking about exam code, it is known as SAA-C03. And for cloud solution architect, it is SAA-C03. These two certifications are actually certification provided by AWS. Once you complete our training, you have to give exam. You can give exam at Pearson VUE Testing Center, or Pearson also providing exam facility at home. So from your home, you can give this exam. Definitely in upcoming days, I will create one video and I will explain you how you can book exam and how you can give exam from center or how you can give exam from your home. If you are giving your exam from home, you have to take care about some things, but we will discuss about it in upcoming days. Right now, let's understand differences between these two exams and which exam will be suitable for you. So, I have just comparison, 7 points comparison. First of all, purpose. Foundational knowledge of AWS cloud services. First of all, you have to understand that if you are beginner, if you don't have any knowledge about cloud and you just started your journey, then you should go with the cloud practitioner. If you have some knowledge, then you will get advanced understanding and it is kind of professional exam. So yeah, you can go with the solution architect. Target audience, beginners, right? You know, most of the students are telling me that we have just started and I am coming from other field. I want to start my journey towards the cloud. So for them, cloud practitioner would be better. There are many candidates who is telling me that, you know, we have experience. I have 10 years experience. I'm working as an IT professional from years. In this case, you can go with the solution architect. My recommendation is for fresher, you can go with the cloud practitioner, then go with the solution architect. Okay. Why? I am going to give you detail about this as well. If you are going to give this exam, you have exam duration of 90 minutes. For solution architect, you have 130 minutes. If you are talking about exam question, you have 65 questions for cloud practitioner and for solution architect, you have also 65 questions. Now you may have one doubt here. You will say that, okay, solution architect exam is difficult, but they are giving more time here. Look at this. Here we have same number of questions, but here we have 90 minutes and here we have 130 minutes, which is 40 minutes higher than the cloud practitioner exam. So here we are getting 40 minutes extra. So I think question, we can easily give answer, right? No. For cloud practitioner, you are going to get very easy question and most of the questions are like one-liner question. Here, when you are going to give solution architect exam, questions are really hard. You may have question of 5 lines, 6 lines, like a paragraph, and then you have to find out some keywords and then from this keyword you can give answer. So if you are going to give solution architect exam, of course you are going to get 130 minutes here, but whenever you will read one question, it will take 1 minute. Here the question reading time is really very less because you are having only one line question, so within 20 seconds you can read question. Here questions are not logical. They will ask you when you are going to use EC2. Very simple. Here they will ask you, they will provide you the whole scenario, and from this scenario you can find out that, okay, which service you will choose here. So exam questions are actually difficult here than the cloud practitioner. If you are talking about question format, these are like a MCQ. So you have to select one or two answer from the question. There is no negative marking. Keep this in mind. So whenever you are going to give exam, complete all the 65 question. Passing mark is 720 out of 1000. Okay. So if you will give any wrong answer, there is no negative. You don't need to worry about this. So try to complete all 65 questions. Difficulty level, of course, it is a beginner, it is intermediate, and exam course. If I'm talking about exam course, it is cloud practitioner, which is having $100. In India, it is 180 because we have 18% GST. And for solution architect, it is a 150 USD. Now, after completing solution architect exam, you can get job related to the architect, solution architect, or a cloud engineer. Let's say that there is a one company who wants to migrate all their on-premises infrastructure to the cloud. Now, which service you are going to use, like EC2, Lambda, how you are going to migrate database, which strategy you are going to use, are you going to create multiple AWS account or not, are you going to use CloudFront or not, all this designing part will be responsibility of solution architect. The another job role is to have solution to cloud engineer. Let's say that architect provided you all the detail. Now you are responsible to create EC2 instances, S3 bucket, or any other services like RDS. So you are going to configure this. So now you can choose roles according to your interests. After completing solution architect exam, you will have two job roles, solution architect or a system engineer or like a cloud engineer, right? Now, I will recommend you to give both exams, even though if you are IT professional, but you don't have any AWS certificates. Why? Because there is a one secret. Let's reveal this secret right now. First of all, let's say that if you are going to give CLF-C02 exam, right? CLF-C02 exam. How much money you have to pay? You have to pay $100. Right? Now, if you pass this exam, now passing is mandatory, okay? How to pass this exam? With guarantee, I will give you detail about this as well. But if you pass this exam, okay, you will get this certificate, right? You will certified. Now here, the good hack is, if you pass this, okay, you will get 50% discount, okay, for your next exam. Right? So now, once you pass this CLF, if you are going to give SAA-C03 exam, okay, the real exam fee is $150. But because you have this certificate, okay, you are going to get 50% discount, means you are going to get $75 discount. It means you have to pay only $75. Now in this case, if you are going to count both, you have 100 USD for CLF-C02 and 75 USD for solution architect, means you just need to pay 175. Now if you are going to give SAA exam directly, then you have to pay $150. Now in this case, you are just paying $25 extra, but you are going to get 2 certificates. If you have more than 1 certificate for a specific technology, your CV looks promising, right? That you are serious about this and you are going step by step. So giving $25 extra would be the good choice. Another part is, if you don't have any experience about international exam, professional exam, if you are going to give easy CLF-C02 exam, you will have some experience. And after passing this, your experience will be very high. Your confidence will be very high. And then if you are going to give this exam, you have confidence, so there is a higher chance to pass this exam. So $25 is like good deal, and you can use this strategy. Now I will tell you how you can you can get this 50% discount voucher as well. You don't need to worry about this. You will find out the detail, okay, once you will pass this exam, so don't worry. But yes, I am giving you the surety that once you pass this cloud practitioner exam, then definitely you will get 50% discount for your next exam, right? Now, you guys are aware about all these things. Now let me tell you, if you want any help from me, I am available. See, when you are going to give this kind of exam, okay, you need some mentorship as well. When you are going to prepare for exam, you need to ask some questions. You have some question in your mind. So in this case, I would like to prefer you our training. Okay, become CloudFox community member. I'm going to tell you how you can do this. See here, our website. You will get all the details into the description. Now, when you go to our website, you will get these courses. Here you will get details about all the courses. But I will prefer you this 6 courses, 1 package. If you are willing to give both of this exam, okay. See, we are not charging you extra money for 2 certification. Okay, we have combination of both the exam, right? Now, in this particular package, of course, you are going to get full training with updated 2024 videos. As you are watching YouTube videos, we have all the updated video. We are doing recording every day and uploading videos every day. So you will get full training of SAA-C0 and CLF-02 exam. Now, along with this, you are going to get many things. Right now, our 100 days challenges are going on. So you will get all the videos in Hindi, even in English. So we have separate videos for Hindi, English. You will get both of this. Along with this, we have Inner Circle Assembly Live. What is the meaning of this? Let's say that I am learning something. I am watching videos, but I have some doubts. I want to learn it live. So we have every Friday live session for lifetime. You just need to send detail that, this Friday I want to learn this particular topic. Definitely we will add them and you will learn live. You can ask question directly to me because I am actually instructor for this live training as well. So you can ask question directly to me and I will solve all your query live. And this type of live classes are going on every Friday at 8 p.m. Now you may have one question that, okay, but what if I'm not able to join this class? No need to worry. We have Inner Circle Assembly archive as well. So I'm doing this Friday class from last 3 years. You will get recording of all the previous classes or new classes as well. So let's say that next Friday, if you are not available, you don't need to worry. You can join this afterward. You can watch recording as well. Then we have practice test. We have practice test for AWS Solution Architect exam. We have practice test for Cloud Practitioner exam as well. We are always giving this recommendation to the student, before you are going to jump for the original exam, because we have $100 fees over there. Complete our practice test. We have 3 practice tests for Cloud Practitioner, 3 practice tests for Solution Architect. Once you will give exam, it will reflect your result to us as well. And we will tell you that you are ready for exam or not. If we are giving you green signal that you are ready for exam, definitely there are lots of chance that you will pass this exam. So you will get practice test, section-wise practice test, you will get complete practice test about both of this exam. So you do not need to pay extra fees for this. Along with this, we have Linux training. We have Docker training. Linux is actually main tool to give some commands related to the AWS and all. We are always installing AWS CLI into the Linux system. So knowledge of Linux is mandatory. Now when you will go for the field after completing your training, companies will definitely ask you about the Linux knowledge. Here you will get it with our course. Along with this, when you will learn about some advanced services like Elastic Container Service or Elastic Kubernetes Service, you have to have knowledge of Docker. So we are also providing you course related to the Docker basics. Overall, the package is built for any people who is actually going to give Solution Architect exam and Cloud Practitioner exam. So you are going to get all of this. Along with this, we have hackathon session, special exam preparation hackathon session. You will get recording and then upcoming hackathon session will be free for you guys. So you can join this. It is a specifically exam preparation under my observation. I will tell you how you can give exam. I will tell you how you can find out the keyword related to the exam. So these are the special sessions. I will give you some tasks that you need to complete. So we have hackathon session. You will get recording of the previous hackathon session. And for upcoming, you will join this live as well. And above all, there is instant help. What is the meaning of instant help? Let's say that you are watching video and in your mind you got some question. Now, if you are watching YouTube video, you are just going to write a comment over here and then I am giving you answer. It is taking time. But here we have a special support system. When you will ask question, you will get answer within 5 or 6 minutes. And if it is a working day, means you are practicing between Monday to Friday in a working day, okay, you will get support for a remote as well. We will offer you remote support. Let's say that if you are performing one lab and if you have some question, you are not going to get answer of this question, you're stuck in this lab, you will get remote support from us as well. You are going to get all of this. We have our team member who is managing all non-technical queries from you guys, Voucher. Now Voucher will be with you, Voucher and his team will be with you. He will guide you about all your non-technical query. Let's say that now how you can start, which video you have to watch, when you are going to start Linux training, when you should learn Docker. So he will guide you about all your journey. He will provide you detail about non-technical queries, how you can build your CV, how you can apply for the job. So he will guide you about it. If you have any technical queries, me and my team will be with you. So you have two hands always with you. Now I want to tell you about fees. Look at this. This is current fees. It is just 3,999 Indian rupees. If you are going to watch, like if you are watching this from other country, and if you will open this website, you will get this fees into the dollar, but it is all approximately the same as Indian rupees. This is a limited time offer, guys. We are not going to give you any promo code or anything, but yes, this is absolutely less fees than any other courses. For other courses, it is kind of a monthly EMI, but for us, it is just the full fees for lifetime access. We have great pressure to increase this fees because, it is really too less. So we can increase this anytime. I request you to get advantage of this. Enroll right now and start your cloud journey with CloudFox Hub. Which topic we are going to start from tomorrow? You have to wait for tomorrow. I will announce next topic. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And don't forget to enroll. Goodbye.